off-road experience, kya?
Not really. The Himalayan launch was one.
But that was intense, no? You guys had like black ice and shit, no?
That
वहाँ
was
पे तो गांड
भयंकर.
लग गई थी.
But I mean, I'm just a little queasy around slopes. That's it. Yeah.
Yeah, no, downhill should always be queasy. Otherwise, you'll be like what happened to me last time.
What happened?
I tumbled over and the bike was on me, and then my whole pants got burnt.
Holy shit!
Over smart. अभी भी मेरे को ना कोई रोकने को नहीं था ना, तो मैं ऐसा full च्याओ. I almost went into a rock. So going down is always.
Felt good?
Thank you for your tip.
No problem.
Bro, can we do a little bit of shooting here if I can give
Yeah,
someone
that's
my
what I was
camera?
thinking. Yeah, one of the I have the big camera. So let's go.
Video?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you do video?
Yeah.
Can we?
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा part यहाँ.
Yeah. चल ना.
You ride, I'll shoot on my bike also. I will have from the
Tripod.
camera.
ये बंद करना.
सोशल पे कर तेरा आईफोन पे भी यार अगर तूने मेरे को दे दिया ना.
हाँ.
ऊपर से आगे से.
ऊपर का टॉप बटन.
Just one press.
हाँ one.